Ne?
You can be serious.
Do
Why are
you know
smiling?
Kerani?
Lan
Do you know Kerani?
Oğlum ne mal adamsın.
İnsanlar içeride ders çalışıyor, orada kerane muhabbeti dönüyor.
Hayat en güzel hediye.
Yeah.
Oo.
Not in Turkey, please. Not in Turkey. Turkey is
Duyarda kasıldı kardeşim.
Bak buradan 30 beğeni geldi mi tamamdır abi.
for students.
Getting worse.
Yes.
Day by day
One
getting
cigarette
worse.
package is almost
20.
10-12 Chinese yuan.
And it's so expensive that.
How many packets do you smoke?
In day.
In one day, approximately one package is last
One day.
2 days. 2 days.
Okay, okay.
Mine is one package cigarettes is 3 days.
I am
3
not
days.
smoking. I hate.
Because we are students and students have not much money. We can't
Get along.
get along with that.
Yeah. Geçinmek başka bir
This
şey.
Turkish economy is so bad.
We can't afford to
Okay.
something buy.
Yeah.
For example, we can never buy something like that camera.
Yes. This is so hard to buy.
How much Chinese yuan that?
About 5,000.
5,000. Approximately 10,000 in Turkish. And our minimum wage right now 4,000. Only 4,000.
Dur lan RT'yi sor.
Monthly.
Ya.
Dur.
Monthly, yes.
Azıcık soracağım.
4,000 only. And
Sorduk.
if someone have minimum wage in one family, they can never live. They can never live and never buy something like that camera. For only 4,000, approximately equals that
This
200.
pen is 10 lira. 10 lira.
10 lira. Yeah.
10
So
Turkish liras.
expensive.
It's just
So
a pen.
expensive. So expensive.
But purple.
Made in Turkey?
Yes. No.
No.
No. Made in.
Oh, Turkey.
Made in Turkey.
Yeah.
But it's so
Videoyu
expensive.
kıracak
It
bu
is
arada.
still very expensive.
Because lira was going down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dollar is upping down.
For you,
upping up.
What about
What?
yuan?
Yuan?
Increase or decrease? Aynı şey.
I think when I was young, it was about 8 yuan to $1. It was about 8, right? 8 something.
All right.
Yeah.
And then now it's 6.35.
It's very low.
So
This is lovely. Where can I get from this? I love to.
oh. I can give it to you if you want.
Oo.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I want your don.
One United States dollars equals how much Turkish lira?
Kalma işte.
This is
I
Whoa,
love this.
yeah, it's crazy.
I love
It's
this.
crazy.
yes.
Ha şampuan çıkarabilir misin diye bir soru.
Especially recently,
He's cold.
crazy.
He's cold.
Unfortunately.
Bald man.